Today I want to present about omit technology in plant biotechnology. My name is Ahmad Najib Mutakib bin Muhammad Saidi and my friend Syamil bin Hafaz. Okay, we go next slide. For introduction, omit technology refer to a group of advanced biological approaches used to study large-scale biological molecules in living organisms. Instead of examining a single gene or protein, omit technology analyzes thousands of genes, protein or metabolites simultaneously. The main type of omit technology include genome, study of all genes in organisms, transcriptomic, study of all RNA transcript, proteomic, study of all protein, metabolite, study of metabolite produced by cell. This technology provides a comprehensive understanding of plant biology and help scientists improve crop more efficient. Principle of omit technology. The principle of omit technology is based on collecting and analyzing large biological data set to understand how plant function at the molecular level. Number one, general workflow. Number one, sample collection, plant tissues such as leaf, root, seed or fruit and collected. Number two, data generation, DNA sequencing, RNA sequencing, protein analysis or metabolic profile is performed. Number three, bioinformatic analysis, computer software analysis large data set and identify important gene, protein or metabolites. Number four, interpretation, scientists identify traits related to growth, stress tolerance, disease resistance and crop quality. This integrated approach allows research to understand complete biological process in plant. Application in improving crop yield. One important application of omit technology is increased crop productivity. Scientists use genomics to identify gene associated with higher grain production, faster growth rate, better nutrient utilization. Example, rice. Through genomic study, research have identified gene controlling grain size and yield. Example number two, maize. Omit technology help breeder select higher variety more efficiently. As a result, improved crop variety can be developed faster than traditional breeding method. Type of omit technology. Number one, genomic. Genomic study the complete DNA sequencing of plant. Application identify genes responsible for important traits. Developing improved crop variety, understand genetic diversity. Number two, transcriptomic. Transcriptomic examines RNA molecule produced from gene. Application understanding gene expression, study plant response to drought, heat and disease. Number three, proteomic. Proteomic investigate protein produced by cell. Application identify protein involved in growth and different mechanism. Number four, metabolomic. Metabolomic study metabolites such as sugar, amino acid and hormone. Application understanding plant metabolism, improving nutritional quality and flavor. Application in disease resistance. Plant disease can reduce agriculture produce worldwide. Omit technology help scientists understand how plants defend themselves against pathogens. Transcriptomic research study gene active during infection. Proteomic scientists identify different related protein. Example, wheat. Omit analysis has help identify gene associated with resistance to fungal disease such as rust. Benefit, reduce crop loss, lower pesticide use, more suitable agriculture.
Application in stress tolerance. Climate change has increased environmental stress such as drought, salinity, extreme temperature, and flooding. Omics technologies help identify genes and protein involved in stress response. For example, drought tolerance. Transcriptomic studies reveal gene activated during water shortage. Example, salt tolerance. Metabolomic analysis identifies compounds that help plants survive high salt condition. These discoveries allow breeders to develop stress-tolerant crop capable of maintaining productivity under challenging environment. Application in improving crop quality nutrition. Omics technology play an important role in enhancing food quality. First is nutritional improvement. Scientists identify genes responsible for the first is vitamin production, second mineral accumulation, and third is antioxidant content. For example, golden rice. Genomic research contribute to increasing beta carotene content, which help address vitamin A efficiency. The fruit quality, metabolomics help improve flavor, aroma, shelf life, nutritional value. This lead to healthier and more attractive food products for consumer. Development of new crop varieties. Omic technologies support modern plant breeding through first is marker assisted selection or MES. Breeder identify plants carrying desirable genes before maturity. Precision breeding. Scientists can select specific traits more accurately. For example, development of crop with higher yields, better nutritional quality, disease resistant, environmental stress tolerance. As a result, breeding program become faster, more efficient, and more reliable. Next is advantage of omics technology. The major advantage include comprehensive understanding of plant biology. Second, faster crop improvement. 3, early identification of desirable trait. 4 is improved breeding efficiency. 5, better adaptation to climate change. Number 6 is enhanced food quality and security. Omic technology have become essential tools in modern agriculture biotechnology. In conclusion, omics technology is an important tool in plant biotechnology that helps scientists study gene, RNA, protein, and metabolize in plants. It allows researchers to better understand plant growth, disease resistance, and stress response. By using omics technology, scientists can develop crop with higher yields, improve quality, better nutritional value, and greater resistance to environmental challenge. Therefore, omics technology plays a significant role in supporting sustainable agriculture and future food security.